I'm looking into getting my first stand-up. Did a ton of research, and I'm leaning towards the 2014 through 15 Superjet. What is your personal favorite stand-up? Personal favorite stand-up of all time is the Kawasaki SXR 800. It is the last of the two-strokes from Kawasaki. They ended it in 2012. And I think it ran 10 years. I think it was 02 to 12, if I'm not mistaken. The SXR 1500 two-stroke was easily one of the most enjoyable hulls. One of the most, it was a large tray. I wear a size 11 shoe. I'm 6'2", so it had a long enough handle pull. It was one of the most easy to ride stand-ups. And it was still manageable, and it was still a stand-up. You cut the throttle, the nose dropped down. You could manage it in a turn. You could hit the throttle, pull back up, get out of it. The 1500, I don't enjoy it. It's too big. It's too burly. It doesn't respond like a stand-up should. The new Superjet does a better job. That Superjet, 14, 15, it's no different than 18, 19. It's no different from 10, 11. I think they changed some minor things in 09 or 10. I want to say 9, but I might be wrong on that one.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.